When installing your FrontLine Building Products SDL grill, it's essential to follow all steps closely to ensure a flawless fit and lasting performance. Let's walk through the installation process. Before you begin, make sure you have the following tools and materials ready: a 50-50 isopropyl alcohol and water mixture, alcohol prep pads and gap packets, both provided in the kit, a plastic razor blade or scraper blade for cleaning, a lint-free cloth, a spacer gauge such as a credit card or business card, plastic zip ties, and a J-roller to apply proper pressure during installation. Having these on hand will help ensure a smooth and successful installation. Glass preparation. First, prepare the glass. Remove any stickers, silicone, or debris using a plastic razor blade. Clean the surface with a 50-50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water. Remove any stickers, silicone, or debris using a plastic razor blade or scraper blade. Be thorough, as any residue will affect the adhesive's performance. Use a lint-free cloth to ensure the glass is spotless. Next, assemble the SDL kit and position it on the glass. This is your dry fit, ensuring everything aligns properly. You should have a small gap, about 1/64 of an inch, between the SDL bar and the glass perimeter, about the thickness of a business card. If needed, trim the SDL bars for a proper fit. If trimming is necessary, use a disc sander or chop saw to carefully remove material from the ends of the SDL bars. Always cut small amounts at a time, about 1/32 of an inch, to ensure precision. Use a miter square to align the SDL bar when trimming, and make sure to clean up any residue left on the tape after trimming. Once the dry fit is confirmed, prep the glass for application. Wipe the surface again with the provided alcohol prep pad, followed by the gap packet. Now, peel the plastic film from the tape on the back of the SDL bars. You can use a speed square or 90-degree block to make sure the lights are square. Apply zip ties approximately every 6 inches along the bars, starting 1 inch from the end. Carefully position the SDL bars on the glass, maintaining the required gap between the bar and the light frame using a spacer gauge. Begin pressing the SDL bars onto the glass, starting from the ends and working along the length. As you go, remove the zip ties and continue applying pressure. Next, use the J-roller to firmly press the SDL bars into place. Roll the outside edges first, then move towards the intersections. Apply at least 15 pounds per square inch of pressure to ensure the adhesive bonds properly. After rolling, check the opposite side of the glass to confirm that at least 50% of the tape has wetted out within 20 minutes. This step is essential for a durable installation. Your SDL grill is now securely installed, ensuring both a clean look and a durable finish. Proper adherence is key for a long-lasting performance. Make sure to follow the temperature guidelines for optimal adhesion. For more information, visit frontlineBLDG.com or contact us at 1-800-223-4792. Thank you for choosing FrontLine Building Products. For additional guidance, check out our how-to videos on our YouTube channel.